I think that's the way to go. Get you on the rebound. We're going to curve that one. And curve that one. Oh, you managed to miss both of those curves. There we go. Whoa. Okay, keep them down, Gav. Keep them down.
And that hurt a lot.
Oh, we got you with the second one. There you go. You got that one? Oh! Should have waited a little bit with the second shot. Oh! Here they come.
We need more balls.
We need more. We need more. We got plenty.
No, my Sassy, can you get more balls? Just like the small ones.
I don't know where is that.
We should be okay here now. You want to get another big one?
No, not a big one. A small one.
A small? Oh, look at that. Yeah, because I get you with the big ones. Look at that. I got you twice.
Yeah, with the big ones, it's harder for you to get me.
Okay, we're going to pretty soon. If you guys are okay. We got you. Whoa! Whoa, Gav. It's getting a little wet now, isn't it? Yeah, you guys are going to be slipping and sliding pretty soon.
And pulling me. Ow! That hurt.